has landed in LA for the first time. The crowd's unending energy brought us back for more. Now, for the second time, we're coming to shake your world. Los Angeles, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the sound of Q-Dance. We will take you on a journey. Forget about the world around you. It's only the kicks that count right now. And travel along into the realm of hard dance. The sound of Q-Dance. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the one and only Lady Faith! We have been emerging from the underground. Bound by a shared cause and fully dedicated to the music.
this man a warm welcome right here. LA, give this DJ a warm welcome right here. Goosebumps everywhere, right? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? People out there, and like I said before, on this song, I want to see 8,000 hands up in the air. Put your hands on the beats. Hey, come on, hey! What you looking for?
is a true hardstyle pioneer. His style has evolved to the point of perfection. Participating in the evolution of hardstyle. From his first rolling beats to the melodic tunes of
the house down while I get on this song. LA, Los Angeles.